Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online earning mobile app or survey GPT, Get Paid To, website. You can earn money by just watching videos and complete online survey and get reward from them. If you want to know what is GPT website, watch whole the video till end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you. Check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Earnably? Earnably is one of the more current GPT sites out there, having shaped in 2015. However, they've immediately become famous, having pulled in a huge number of clients during this time and granting over $1,500,000 in remunerations to their individuals. If you want to join Earnably, link in the description box. Check out and start earning from today. What is GPT website? Get Paid To GPT sites are becoming progressively famous as they empower you to acquire cash online by finishing a wide assortment of errands and offers. Destinations work with a scope of sponsors who pay them for customer input on their items and administrations. GPT destinations at that point share these profit with their individuals. What amount would you be able to make from Earnably? On the off chance that you are dealing with the site normally by taking reviews, watching recordings and recovering promo codes, you can make in any event $50 to $100 every month. What will do? Complete offers, get rewards. We reward our individuals with moment money and unconditional present cards for finishing straightforward undertakings, watching recordings and noting overviews. You can simply win cash from various different sort of tasks you have, take study and watching recordings from them and win focuses from them. Then you can redeem your focuses in PayPal Cash or in the Structure gift voucher. If you need to make PayPal account, link in description box. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you get more videos, subscribe my channel and share the video. Good luck. See you in next interesting video.